Hello everyone and welcome to SureCrime PhD. For those of you who are new to the channel, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and click all, and that'll give you notifications on our podcast, videos, updates, and live streams. So today we're just doing a quick update in regards to the Bryan Kohberger documents that were recently released. So I am not going to go live. I'm just going to read the documents off and kind of break them down for you guys so that you can properly understand. So this is a 3-page document, and it's the order by Judge Hippler. He has ruled in regard to the defendant's family members in the courtroom. This is in the case of State of Idaho versus Bryan C. Kohberger. Okay, so this page explains the court's discretionary decision to allow Mr. Kohberger's immediate family, which is parents and siblings, to remain in the courtroom during trial, even if they are called as witnesses. And this is in legal context to Idaho Rule of Evidence 615. And it allows for witnesses to be excluded from the courtroom so they don't have to hear other testimony and conform theirs accordingly. So that states that it allows for the actual witnesses to be excluded. However, but the court rules this exclusion doesn't apply to Kohberger's family for several reasons. Their testimony is going to be narrow in scope and unrelated to other witnesses. So they were previously interviewed and recorded, which already locks in their counts. Given the high publicity, they likely know the state's evidence already. So the exclusion wouldn't prevent influence. The state itself prefers to have them present and call them when needed, not out of order. However, the ruling cites the Sixth Amendment right to the public trial, which includes the presence of friends and family members. The court affirms that excluding them could diminish Kohberger's fair trial protections and emotional support. This also could later be an issue in regards to retrial, what have you. So that's kind of securing that as well. The judge is saying, even though the rules let me exclude witnesses, I'm choosing not to for Bryan's family because their testimony is limited. They've already been questioned, and it wouldn't help prevent anything. Plus, his right to a public trial and the state's own preference supporting letting them stay. So this section is the formal court, and this is page 1 and 2. The last page is just, where they've sent it to each attorney. So this is a summary of both pages 1 and 2. This section is the formal court order signed by District Judge Steve Hippler, and he's making the legal decision. And also the list of prosecutors and things, it lists those because it ensures due process. So everyone receives the same